My name is Dr. Paymaun, and in this video, we're going to show you how to insert and remove an Ortho-K lens. These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need some preservative-free artificial tears, some refresh Celluvisc, a standing mirror, and also a remover tool. Now we recommend that you be seated, and you can set the mirror at a distance that's comfortable for you.
Okay, when you're ready to insert it, you're going to lower your lower lid with your third finger. Use the other hand to come from the top and lift your upper lid. Now move your lens towards the center of your iris. Once you're centered, move it closer towards the eye. Once you make contact, give it a light little pressure. That'll seal the lens down, and then slowly release. Okay, when you're ready, you're going to lower your lower lid with the outside hand. The other hand is going to come over the top and hold the upper lid, and then move your tool towards the center of the iris, and then move it towards it. You'll feel the lens. Give it a light pressure, and then slowly release.
In this method, the outer hand's going to hold the tool, and the opposite hand is going to come below and move the lower lid down.
Okay, so in this method, we're gonna remove the lens without using a tool. We're just gonna use our fingers. And so you need to use the outside hand to lift the upper lid, and you're gonna use your second finger. The other hand is gonna come below and lower the lower lid, and you're also gonna use your second finger. Now, first you wanna grab the lower lid with your second finger, push against towards the eye, so the lid starts to bend towards the eye, and then start to grab your upper lid and also push against the eye so the lid is bending towards the eye. Now lock your upper lid here, try not to let it move, and then you're just gonna mechanically move the lower lid up, and this is gonna break the seal of the lens slowly.
In this method, you're going to tighten the lower lid and pull it towards the ear, but keep it below the iris. Now you're going to use the other hand, and I use my index finger to get it above the iris, and then you're going to push it down, and this will also release the lens. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to make more useful videos like these.